Good afternoon to all. Welcome all to this MDWA Zoom con call session by Ramesh Bhatji. Today's topic is gold and asset class. Uh, about Ramesh Bhatt, this much I can say with authority. He is very true gentleman, always down to earth, always helpful whenever one needs. Over to you, Ramesh ji. Please go ahead.
Thank you. And I'm like you only. I'm not a big man, just an ordinary man like you all. Happy to grow with everybody. That is my motto always. Namaste to all people across the country. And Yen Tamil Nenjangalukku Vanakkam from people from South. And let us start directly to the gold. Let us, I will share you my screen here. 1 second. My screen is visible to all?
Yes, yes sir. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Let me share. See, now we need at least 25% of our allocation in gold for our clients, which we should concentrate more on that. That's a session today. And before I start, let me give the disclosure also. This is my disclaimer. Whatever I am sharing here, all my personal research from various websites and senior fund managers guidance. Please do your homework before following my guidance, which is very important. Gold is an asset class which becomes only active when uncertainty prevails in the market, economic condition and other things. That is why we are telling now 25% on gold. At current condition, we see 25 to 30% gold is a sensible one in the client's portfolio. But when the market, equity market reverses from the current level of 9,000 points to 7,000 points, we should be more in equity. We can reduce the gold exposure also from that level. This is the chart which people ask, from where do you see these kind of gold messages and other things. This is a website people can note down, kitco.com. It is a beautiful website. In fact, there is a app also, Kitco app, which is available on the Play Store. Once you download the Kitco app, you can see where the market is, how the international market moving on, everything Indian rupee wise, everything you can see here. US dollar price, Indian rupee price, everything you can see, especially when yesterday market, when I was preparing this chart, the market was at, that is gold market was at 1,750. It was very close to $1,750, which is per ounce. 1 ounce is equal to 32 grams. That is 4 sovereigns of gold was costing at 1,746 rupees. Friends, from this level, we are going to see gold at 2,000 level soon, which means even if you buy gold today in an all-time peak, your client are going to get 14% return. 14% return from the current condition. This is the last 1 year gold chart. For many of our clients recently, we have bought at this level. When there was a panic in the mid-March, there was a panic. In fact, I have circulated the message across people who are all in my WhatsApp chat. I have sent them, it is a time to buy gold. That day we bought gold for my clients also. Whatever I share with IFA friends like you, I do for my client also. If you see in the mid-March, there was a fall of gold from $1,670 to $1,494. This is all per ounce international. So we started buying, which is a 200-day DMA. You can see that green line, which is a 200-day DMA line. And another one, blue line is 14 days DMA. Right now, gold is around $1,715. So from this level, see, you can ask me, okay, recently it has moved, sir, because of COVID. What is the movement of gold for 10 years? Here is a movement of, this chart also taken from the same website. This is all available for free for you. You can see this anytime. If you have seen, the gold has touched peak of $1,895 in August. Between April 2011 and 12, it touched its peak of $1,895. Right now it is at 1,000. It came down to the low of $1,069.49, which is in the month of Jan 2016. Then next 5 years, 16 to Jan 2020, gold is only flat. It did not move in a very big way till especially this particular period of June 2019. Whenever it has broken that level of this 5 years, gold is always 5 years flat, and 5 years it will be going up, again 5 years flat, 5 years moving up, like that. But it will always go along with the inflation. But conditions like this, COVID condition and other condition, gold will always fluctuate in a very big way, where we can make good money than equity market more in gold. Here, this is an article. This is all I have taken from Kitco News only, from the Kitco website. You can see here, this gentleman who writes a lot about gold, he has written recently on 13th April, 3:53 p.m. This article he has posted. Gold will hit $2,000, which is right now at $1,720 right now. When we are discussing, it is at $1,720. I expect almost 15% upward is possible soon on a short-term rally possible. Here also, why gold is moving. This is also an article dated yesterday. I have taken it in the morning. Gold is, since it is a safe haven asset, people are slowly, international traders, they are all moving to gold. People may ask, what sir you are talking about? Equity has given me 15% return. I am talking to my client 15-20% return, and you are asking me to go for asset class standardly give 7 and 8% return. No, my dear friends. Last 1 year return of World Gold Fund, DSP BlackRock. Right now there is no BlackRock. DSP World Gold Fund. See the return. The fund has given 29% return, which is an excellent return. Apart from this, only this fund, no, ETFs have, this is World Gold Fund is, they invest in gold mining companies. Shares of gold mining companies, DSP World Gold Fund invest. That's why the return is 30%. But if you see the actual return of an ETF, that is gold fund of a mutual fund, last 1 year return, I don't know how many people are closely watching this. I do watch closely. 63%, this is taken from Value Research as of yesterday. Number 1 rank is Gold SBI Gold Fund, which has given 63.74% return. ICICI 50%, Axis 50%, Nippon 50%, HDFC Gold 51%, Kotak has given 54%. See the absolute amazing return. Immediately, my dear friends will ask, sir, 50% rally is over. 50% already it has given. Will it give further higher return? Whenever there is a panic condition in the market stability, there is a question on market stability, whether it will sustain at this level. We have seen Rajesh Bhoi's excellent session yesterday. What he said, we will see one more bottom, possible. He did not say that it happened. He said it is possible. It can touch 6,000, that is sub 7,000 levels, which is possible. Be ready to enter there, because we call that as a double bottom. Always in a technical chart, once it hits certain bottom, it goes up and it will hit again. If you see ITC chart, you can see double bottom in that. ITC's chart is looking very beautiful right now as far as the stock is concerned. I'm not going on stock right now. And you can immediately, people ask me, Ramesh bhai, what are all the stocks, what are all the options available to invest in gold? First best option is sovereign gold bond. Sovereign gold bond scheme is the best option where you can invest for your client money. But why I have painted that in yellow? Because you may get brokerage or may not get brokerage. If you have tied up with any broker, you can get brokerage. Or if you do directly online on a new purchase, you can charge your client, because every new purchase online, right now, Modi government has announced from 20th to 24th, this bond is going to get open. You can buy from the banks or RBI website or certain banks website. If you buy online, 50 rupees discount per gram. You tell your client, I will buy you online, I will charge you 25 rupees per gram as my charges. Why not? You can do that. Second option is gold ETF. Also, you have to tie up with some stockbrokers so that you get a commission. That's why I painted that in yellow. What in green is gold funds. Just now you saw gold funds, ETFs have given almost 60%, 50% more. Most of the fund given more than 45% return. The first performing fund has given 40% return. That you can suggest, or you can suggest World Gold Fund. I've shown you just a few minutes back, DSP World Gold Fund, which is given almost 29-30% return. There is also, it is also mutual fund related, where through mutual fund DSP BlackRock you will do, where you will get your brokerage. That's why green. And another one is commodity exchange. Again, you have to sign up with some stockbrokers to get some commodity commissions on that. This is also another possibility where you can invest in a gold fund. And another possibilities are gold bullion, jewelry, and chit, which is common among the public. Most of the public, they do invest in gold jewelry, where there is a wastage of 8 to 14-15% wastage is there. You must make your client understand. I've seen many clients buy for their daughter's marriage. Understand? Daughter's marriage. That means not immediate consumption. If you ask, sir, how old is your daughter? He will come and say, my daughter is now 3 years, 5 years. For her marriage, I am accumulating gold. Okay, very good. Why can't you buy coins, sir? Why are you buying necklace and other things? No, now itself we can buy and keep it, no, for our future. No. You must always, whenever you are accumulating, you must tell your clients, when they are accumulating gold for their daughter's marriage, the best thing is sovereign gold bond, which they can accumulate multiples of 1 gram. And gold check, which is very popular among the certain categories. Among sovereign gold bond. Okay, what is sovereign gold bond? It is issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of Government of India. Denomination is 1 gram. It is multiple of 1 gram. There is no tension of holding gold in your almara or paying GST at the time of buying. You want to buy coin also. I see a lot of ladies buy gold coins. Even that does not work, because when you are buying, you will pay 3% GST on that. Even that 3% you can save here. You can tell your client, sir, you give me 50 bips, I will get you sovereign gold bond. You can do that also. Why not? Maturity period for this is, these bonds are 8 years maturity. And who can invest in this? HUF, trust, university, charitable institution, all these people can invest. Application form is available. You can download from RBI website. RBI website, if you put gold bonds, sovereign gold bond, SGB, you will get it. And what is the KYC? To do KYC, what should I do, sir? No problem at all. Along with their application form, you have to enclose your PAN card. What is the minimum investment, maximum investment? Individual can invest 1 gram, and maximum per annum an individual can invest 4 kilos of gold. Same way for HUF also, every individual, okay, every individual, your name 4 kilo, your wife name 4 kilo, your son name 4 kilo, your daughter name 4 kilo, like that. Maximum investment per annum. HUF also same 4 kilos, and if it is a trust or universities like that, they can go up to 20 kgs. Joint holding is possible, yes, but always the limit is applied to the first holder. Myself and my wife, I am first holder, my wife is a second holder. In that case, my wife name I can buy 4 kg, and in my name I can buy 4 kg. That's a ceiling which government has fixed every financial year. Can I take, what is, if you buy and keep gold coins, you will not get interest at all. But in this, there is a fixed rate of interest, 2.5% payable every year, half yearly payable, semi-annually, which is called semi-annually, payable to the client's account, bank account directly. How long this bond I can hold? Government comes up with, see example, now they are coming out with the next series on 20th of April. It closes on 24th of April. How much I can buy? You can buy minimum 1 gram. And how long I need to hold? I need to hold it for 8 years. But in between, I would like to sell it. Possible? Yes, through stock market. See example, in my wife account, I have bought August 24 maturity gold bonds last year, same time. April 2019, I have bought for 2000, I am repeating, 2,890 rupees. From that time, we have increased our gold exposure in our portfolios from 5%. Normally, I hold 5%. I have increased to 10%. Today, I hold 25% in my portfolio gold. That time, 2,920 we bought, and today it is 4,450. And this is a certificate. Can I bind this bond physical mode also? Yes, possible. I need not have a demat account to buy this. That's why I told you, you can help your client in buying this. This is the Form C, which is available in RBI website. Form C is for purchase. This is the certificate issued. Form A is the application form. Form C is the certificate issued to the clients. This physical certificate will be issued to you once you apply for a gold and you are being allotted. You can buy through these post office, designated stock exchange, agents, RBI, etc., etc. If the client buys directly, here also direct is there, online mode, he will be given 50 rupees less per gram. That means these mediators are paid 50 rupees by the government. And maturity, I told you already, it is 8 years term, and after 5 years, you can use the option to redeem it. It's 999 pure gold. After 8 years, what will happen, sir? After 8 years, directly the credit will come to your bank account. Finish. No redemption, no tension, nothing. After 8 years, the redemption will hit your bank account daily, and every half yearly, the interest will hit your account. Okay. Next question people may ask, sir, I am ready to buy at 4,500 rupees per gram right now, sir. When I am exiting after 8 years, it is 7,000 rupees, sir. What is the capital gains involved? Friends, it is fully exempt. Zero capital gains. Here, there is a, here I have given you. If you see the taxable, this thing as per Income Tax Act, the capital gains arising on redemption of SGB, which is sovereign gold bond, to an individual has been exempted. So, and you can use the indexation benefit. You buy through stockbroker, you hold it, you can, that all you can use indexation, or you are bought through directly and now you would like to exit also, you can use this option. And see, this is the next trench. Government came out on 13th April, a notification saying that they are going to come out with next 6 tranches between 20th and 24th April, 11th and 15th May, June 8th and 12th, July 6th and 10th, August 3rd and 7th, and August 31st to 4th September. This is the next 6 tranche ka. The government has announced that they are going to sell the bonds. And FAQ on these kind of gold bonds. Can I do SIP? No, my dear friends. Market is, whenever the market is one way, it is not like this, it is this way. Always one time is better. Market is this way, then SIP is better. Can I suggest gold ETF? Yes, you can suggest. Gold fund instead of ETF, can I suggest gold fund? Yes, you can suggest. You will also get some brokerage from the AMC. And which is the best way to invest in gold now? Of course, it is sovereign gold bond, which we have discussed. Can I continue to gold in my portfolio for a long term? Yes, it is advisable. Every time, it is always advisable. You need to hold gold in your portfolio, but it should be not 100% gold, 70% gold, 60% gold, not like that. it should be when the market is, say, example, the Sensex hits, Nifty hits 7,000 points. I will hold only 5% in my portfolio. When Nifty moves back to 12,000, this rally, if it continues and goes back to 11,000, 11,500, I will increase my gold exposure right now from 25-30 to 40-45. I will, like that, it will go on. So I suggest you to actually, you have to work accordingly, find and increase the gold exposure in your client portfolio. And thank you. I will take the questions now. Sanjay sir, I can take the questions.